Well, today is June 23rd, 2025, and they were talking about a monsoonal flow of moisture coming in from the southwest. It looks like it's finally arrived. We just might get some rain. I know the plants can sure use it. It's about 8 o'clock, and I know that the skies are not usually this dark. So what you're looking at is a lot of thunderstorms building up, and it is coming out of the southwest. The wind has picked up considerably. I can feel little spits of rain, just kind of a misty type of rain coming down, and I'm looking forward to what's going to happen. This evening maybe we'll even get a thunderstorm. There's my favorite little cat. His name's Mickey, and he knows something's about to happen for sure. Something's happened to that zinnia plant overnight. I'm not quite sure what it is. It looks like all the leaves are wilted, but the flowers still look fresh. I hope you're not thinking about climbing that tree, Mickey. It wouldn't be a good idea right now, not with this thunderstorm moving in. Well, I just heard my first clap of thunder. It's been months since I've heard that. I don't know if you can see it real good, but I got a crazy cat that just climbed the pine tree. I'm back underneath the patio right now. The storm's starting to spit a little bit more rain than I anticipated. And I can see some of the lightning and hear the thunder. It's definitely coming in our direction. If you were out here right now, you could smell the rain. Breathe in a big snort of air, and you can smell the rain. It's up there. It's trying to make it to the ground. There's my cat hanging out by the fence. Mickey's excited about the rain too. You'd think he'd be afraid, but he's not. I'm going to see if I can catch a little bit of this lightning coming in right now. We don't get much rain out here, so this is a big event for us here in the desert, especially for me. Here comes the rain. Gonna have to move my camera. Boy, it's really coming down now. It's just pouring off of this roof. Beautiful. If I had a way, I'd try and capture some of that rainwater. I'm sure it's good for the plants. Great. I turned the lights on to the backyard so you can see the rain coming down. Kind of for my memories, because this doesn't happen very often. It's really just like a miracle out here. Boy, this is going to be good for my garden. I bet the plants really spring to life, start really growing after this one. Look how the oleanders are starting to droop because they're so heavy with the rainwater. This might even help that old pine tree shed some of its needles. Well, the thunderstorm has passed. It's moved over the Oregon mountains, and it's now in White Sands, New Mexico, possibly over in Alamogordo. So that's the end of the story. I'd like to thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.